So just been camping and hey, what's up?
No, I've been on the road 3 months, I think.
Okay, 3 months. We're just camping and
Camping, yeah.
Oh,
Camping.
what did you been traveling?
I started in Toronto, then I went to Kawartha Lake in Ontario.
Yeah.
Then Ottawa, Montreal, Quebec City, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia.
Oh,
Just came back from Newfoundland, and I'm like, I gotta see PEI on the way back.
Yeah, so you did Newfoundland on this guy. How many tires have you gone through?
One. This is the original set.
Really? Yeah. All right, we're getting there.
Hopefully it can take me back home.
Yeah,
But I think it'll be cheaper to get fixed here than Toronto.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, I think like labor-wise, I think the prices are.
Oh, I bet. Depending on where you go, was it Toys for Big Boy? I don't know where.
Are you from here?
I'm not. I'm from Maryland in the States.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Washington D.C. Baltimore.
Nice, I like your setup, man.
Thanks, dude.
It's professional. I'm recording my vlog and stuff.
Me too. Yeah, here.
About that.
Okay, well, here, dude. Here's my channel. I'll give you my my thing.
How long have you been vlogging?
About 2 years. You?
When you started.
Oh. What's your name?
Karam.
Karam, I'm Andy. How are you?
Good, man.
Nice to meet you. You've been taking this guy, huh?
That's it. You want a banana, man?
Yes, I do.
So I was staying at somebody's house. They gave me this packet. Like they made like a food thing for me.
Well, thank you to the friend.
Yeah, look what it says. Have a safe trip. Nice to meet you.
Awesome. That's good, man. Have you been camping, or were you just staying at?
Well, I meet people and they like if they feel good energy.
Yeah, man.
They let me in the house, right?
Yeah, I got you.
I don't go expecting that, right?
Yep.
It just happened. It happened. But mostly it's been camping or not even camping. I have a tent and all that. But I sleep outside, just wherever. You know?
I'm with you. Where you gonna be tonight? Any ideas?
Where I was staying tonight in Surrey. They said I can stay for another night.
Oh, that's really cool.
This is my bike with all the setup.
Oh, so you dumped a lot off.
Everything off.
Oh wow, that's nice.
You can't see the back. From the front.
Oh wow, you got a lot of gear.
I got the side bag, then like a full camping bag, then I got an instrument.
Yep.
Another instrument behind, then my tent and my sleeping bag, and then this bag on top, the red one.
Yeah.
And like a jerry can.
Yeah.
It looks cool, man. Like riding and I see my reflection.
You're like, yeah.
Like, yeah, I feel nice.
Yeah, it is a big bike, but you know, I try to go as little as possible, mostly camping. So.
No, it's a nice bike, man.
Yeah, man.
Well, it's a Harley.
It's a Harley.
You know, Harley's making adventure bikes.
Yeah, they are.
That's cool. So you you keep that running all the time, right?
Nope, now it is though, because you're an interesting dude.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is like a professional setup.
Well, I don't know about that, but you know, it's like, what I got.
Yeah.
I didn't want, you know how they have those big bags on the big panniers on the side?
Yeah.
I didn't want that because I'm doing a lot of dirt riding and stuff. And you want to light and as small as possible.
So mine is kind of on the side.
I know.
And I can't do dirt riding.
Because it's too wobbly and too big, right?
That's why something like this, like snug fit, is really nice.
It's really nice. Yeah.
And then you can go anywhere basically, right?
I've been doing some really gnarly trails with it.
This is cool, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good to meet another person who's doing videos too.
Yeah.
I haven't met that many people.
What's the name of your channel?
It's on Instagram right now.
Okay.
But I'm gonna go Toronto, edit everything, then start my channel and everything.
Okay. Well, do me a favor. If you go to my About page on there, you'll see my email. Write me an email, and that way I'll tag you on Instagram and all that stuff.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Right, cool, man. Well, I want to go fly a drone.
I messed up mine in water, eh?
Well, are you allowed to go down here? I guess not, right?
I don't know. I mean, no one's gonna stop you.
Well,
I was in Newfoundland and I tried to go. There's like a dungeon place, right?
A dungeon?
That's what it's called, right?
Okay.
And then it's like, I guess like 500 feet down.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And there's like a hole, and you can go through it. Like, you can kayak through it, right?
Oh, in water. Okay.
Water.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, I'll take the drone through it. As soon as I went down, wind pushed it to the side.
Done in the water. Oh, okay. Well, speaking of which, I got to take this guy off and get my drone out.